Welcome back to the trap. Shiba had some pretty crazy things happen in the last week or so. Then, one of the most surprising things to slip under the radar of most people's eyes was. Before my New Year's Eve livestream, I talked about Bone getting listed on Exchange Max-C and then tweeted that the price rose from 30 cents to about 26 cents, which is about 320%. That's why and how it could happen, and I talked about it 2 weeks ago when I talked about Bone. Since the price of Bone has gone up, a lot of people are wondering why the price of Shiba hasn't gone up as well. In this video, I'll talk about that. It's also been a few days since Shiba INU holders have been able to earn interest on their Shiba INU as Shiba activates its lending protocol Euler. This means that Shiba INU holders can now earn interest on their money. The CEO of AMC Theaters says that Dogecoin and Shiba INU will be accepted for payment in the first quarter of 2022. In a couple of months, that real estate company will start accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, and so on as payment. As a result, a lot of other people who I haven't even talked about are now better than they were before. Shiba is making headlines again on social media. Shiba tweets while social media is trending, and so on and so forth. With 301,000 tweets, Shiba will be at 3 to find out what's going to happen. Please subscribe to our channel. It hasn't done much since the Shiba shop was announced last year. It's either been under the Shiba banner or in the general ecosystem of things. Since then, it has been dormant because there hasn't been a lot of use for it. At the end of last year, it was announced that the Bone would be the currency of choice for share transactions. When Bone was listed on a large exchange, such as the stock market, its price increased by about 320%. There was no movement with Bone for 6 months. This is critical in terms of what your money can do for Shiba INU. There were a lot of people who put money into Bone, but nothing had happened so far. There was no news, and then, out of nowhere, the burn increased by 300% as a result of last year's news. Shiba didn't go up the same way because a lot of investors had already thought about the price of Shiba. When Shiba was younger, it was too much, but now he is a true milkshake to Shiba. So Shiba's new price has been going down for a while, with a little bit of a break. Bulls, on the other hand, are likely to take over soon and start a short squeeze that could push Shiba to new highs that haven't been seen since October 2021. Shiba's new price is now set up for a big turnaround back to old highs. Now, I don't know if this is just a coincidence or if it was a great time. On the Discord, Penny, there is some information. I know we've been a little quiet lately, but these last few days have been crazy. You'll see why soon. Because the scary market will buy back all those people who sold. A lot of people are saying that if you go to Delta Shiba and do something bad, you'll learn hard lessons. The best team in the game is going to do something big. And, of course, things look great on the 4-hour time frame chart. A downward channel has been seen in the last couple weeks. We broke above this channel a few hours ago. This is what we can see if we haven't already looked at it. That level of help we found on December 20th is still the level of help we're seeing now. We can also look at one-day charts to get a better idea of what is going on right now. So right now, we can see that the MAC candles are going down, which could mean that we could cross over. So that means the momentum will be building up in the direction that is going up, right? As of yesterday, we can see that the Aztec has crossed over, which means that the Aztec will be going up. So these are very strong signs that Shiba will start going up again soon. Because Shiba, is a Doge, I think that the big rally for the Bone would also have an effect on Shiba, in a good way. Those price changes that have been overdue for a long time aren't coming soon enough. Watch what the whole crypto market does. It's worth about $2 trillion right now, but the MAC is looking very good as well. We're seeing the same thing with the Aztecs. We may be seeing a Macy crossover as well as an Aztec crossover that has already entered and is trying to get above 75 miles per hour. As long as we keep going at this pace and the crypto market moves in a positive direction like Shiba is, we will see even more of a huge rise in the crypto market. A lot of people say that soon you'll be told about what the dead people have been working on. Take care, and we'll see you next time.